Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I guess I am finally making my first vlog today. It's first Ramadan and I'm about to make sari for everyone. So it's gonna be a day in the life vlog because I have a little help here today. Hassan is home and I have kids with me, so right now we don't know what day it is, we don't know what the date is. We have been self-quarantined and self-isolated for like, I don't know, 1,000 days, and like it's a bittersweet experience, but I'm really excited to share all my day with you guys and I hope this will work. And I just came here to say my prayers to you that happy Ramadan, may this Ramadan keep you blessed and just peace all over the world. We know it's a pandemic situation right now. It's coronavirus, like it's not the usual Ramzan it usually are. So I just hope and I pray that the Eid will be normal and hopefully we can meet all of our friends and relatives on Eid. So let's just say that this camera is killing me and I don't know what the vlog is gonna be. I don't know where it's gonna be, but one thing I can promise you is it's full of excitement, full of cuteness. Our babies are awesome, like they can entertain you for like hours. So I hope this brings smiles to your faces and I hope this will be a start to a new journey. Like I love vlogging and I've been watching my YouTubers for like forever now and I was like dying to vlog but somehow I couldn't. So let's reflect to myself and mom life, right? So it will be too hard to like talk to you guys in front of the camera like when there's a toddler chasing me all around. So let's just say I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog and please do send me recommendations, and I have loads and loads and loads of videos coming right now. So I'm going to make sari and just wish me luck. Bye. So it's a little bit later in the day and the kids have done their breakfast. It's 10:30 and right now they're having their snacks. They're not dressed up yet, so as soon as they finish their snacks they're gonna get dressed up, right Eva? Hi, say hi guys.
Hi guys. You know what, we're eating our favorite biscuit.
They're eating their favorite biscuits. They swear by chocolate chip. I think it's crazy because like look at them.
Don't you try these biscuits? Come on, try it.
Can I see your bun, Eva? What's the aftermath? You're looking like a Chinese doll, Eva, right now. And what are you doing, Ibarat?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a fun fact that Bharat doesn't understand English. Eva says well, but Bharat don't understand English right now at this stage. So whenever he has to answer something, he just says yeah, and it's the cutest thing. Bharat, are you okay?
Yes.
Are you mad?
Biscuit.
Are you mad?
Yes.
Yes. Are you silly?
Yes.
Yes. Are you Iron Man?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. It's too funny, Bada. You can't talk in English.
He will learn eventually. Eva. So as soon as they finish their snacks, we're gonna get them dressed and then we're gonna do some studying. You will say 1, 2, 3, start. Can you show me your outfit, Eva?
Yeah.
Yeah? But can you show me your outfit?
Look at my pony. And buy me my ponytail. And balls.
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 Bharat, can you show me your elephant?
Elephant. There are two elephants. One on his pocket and one on. Elephant.
ये देखिए elephant. Okay, study time. Bharat?
Okay, let's read books. Yes. Yay, my book. Yeah. Good.
Bharat? Making a vlog.
Every day.
Yes. Stay in the laptop.
Don't you see what Zed prays with the bird?
Yes, I'm about to talk about those books. Can you give me 1 minute, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
No.
Bharat? Are you studying?
Mommy, can I
No.
put this book into Zed's books?
No, you can read it.
Oh.
I have multiple to talk about. Okay, so the kids are a huge fan of books and like they have their own library kind of, like not too expanded, but they have a library, which is something to be proud of. So we just purchased some books for Bharat's birthday and got some books for Eva as well, and I think these might be the most amazing set of books I have ever ordered for Eva, and especially with the Ramzan coming, these books are excellent for like babies and introduction to the different verses of Quran and telling them about the different subjects. So let me show you guys. This is the set of books. It comes in 10 books. It's from them and it's amazing Zed stories, I guess. Zed prays with the
10
bird.
books.
Yes.
I got them on my birthday.
You got them on Bharat's birthday. Yes. Zed prays with the birds. Zed at the farm. Zed learn about clouds. Studies the stars. We read this yesterday. Zed's shadow. When I grow up, I want to be. Zed and the special garden. This is the Muallima, which teaches them everything according to the Quran. The grandpa passes away. Zed goes sailing on the sea, and Zed visits the 2 holy cities. These will be in my life. I have to prepare some assignments and some worksheets for that, and then we will read these and like schedule all of those things.
Baby, it's okay. I know it hurts to wipe your tears away. A bandage.
What's a bandage? Oh, you got a doggy bandage? What?
Yes.
Can you kiss him?
No.
No.
मैं यहाँ पे लगा देती हूँ उसको, ठीक है? बारिक दिखाओ जैसे कि आप
बारू आयरन मैन?
नहीं, आयरन मैन नहीं है.
कैसे बनता है?
आयरन मैन नहीं है.
Okay, can you show me your busy bear?
Yes. Busy bear.
Okay.
Mama.
Open the book.
Mama.
This boy is a huge fan of books.
Open the door.
And like this book is amazing. I love it. Bara, can you lift this flap?
Yes.
Thank you. Eva, I'll come to you in a minute, okay? Okay, now open the book. Where's the ambulance?
Yes.
Ambulance?
This
That's right. Ambulance.
Mommy, I got a bandage.
You got a bandage too?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, where's Busy Bear going? Hippo. Hippo is the most favorite animal of Baru.
Mama, this bandage is not working. I will take this bandage. Look, it's finally working. It's sticking to me.
Bara, cycle.
On the cycle, there's a cycle.
Literally, like, how freaking cute is this?
नहीं देखो, मैं आपके हाथ पे चोट लगाती हूँ, ठीक है? Okay?
I will try to attach the description of like where I buy all of my books, and like the best drama award goes to these Cocomelon kids.
The kids just right who have your Cocomelon साइकिल से गिर गया था. हाँ.
भारत क्या हुआ था? भारत क्या हुआ था? What are you watching?
Yes.
क्या देख रहे हो?
Cocomelon.
Eva, can you explain what are you watching?
Cocomelon. Yeah.
Cocomelon is a lifesaver for parents, and I want to mention finally a resting time. I want to mention it's 100% safe for the kids to watch Cocomelon, and you can see that they're learning something. So I cannot recommend enough the Cocomelon, and I'm sure all of the parents know what the Cocomelon is, so we are the same club. Also, we have an issue coming to us right now, which is Bharat's pacifier, because like he's gonna be 2.5 next month inshallah, and I know it's bad for him now when he doesn't really need it, but like he's super attached to his tooches. He says in tooches, so he's really attached to his tooches, and I don't know how. And he's at the age where like he's chewing it. So we got 2 tooches in 1 week, and like they are completely destroyed. So like now me and Hassan are debating that whether we should buy one or not, because like he can easily nap without a tooches. Like he will beg for like 5 or 6 minutes, and after that when he's really down to sleep, so he can comfort himself and he can do all the things, but like he's so attached to it that when he begs for it, like my heart and Hassan's heart is like all over the place. Like we cannot see him doing that, and I know it's a bit of weakness, but like he is a rough boy. He is not attached to anything like that, but like tooches is something different for him. So like I feel really bad, and I'm trying to convert him to something else, but not anything related to feeders, or like he completely forgets his feeder long time ago, and he was not even in the sippy cups. He was directly into a normal cup. So I know that he can transition himself from the tooches as well, but somehow like he is the youngest, so like he is kind of spoiled in this way. So I just hope that it works for us, and he don't have that much tantrums. He don't give us that much tantrums regarding the tooches. So if you are a mom that is dealing with like passy problems like I am with you, and I love the pacifiers, they make my life easy. My kids were not sick because of it, not even for the first time. No colic issues or like any gum issue or anything like that. So I recommend Pessy's enough, but like it's time to leave the Pessy's, right? And if I know this and I'm still doing the same, it's not a good thing. I know he can transition himself, but like we have to back him up. So please wish us luck for that. And if you cannot eat anything,
Yes.
can I eat you, Barak?
Yeah.
Barak, can I eat you?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I eat you?
Yeah. Come on.
Can you give me kissy?
No.
Peach! I'm a So it's a little bit later in the day and we're so close to the nap time, thank God. Right now they're watching their laptop and they will watch it for like about 15 minutes and then we'll have our nap time, because nap time is so important, not for only me and for my mental health, but like also for them. They are very good nappers and the afternoon nap is like very important for them. If they don't get this nap, they are like cranky all the day. And especially Barak, he got to have mood swings and like projecting everything. 1 second, Eva. So like nap time is so important, so I thought that I should give them screen time right now, like 15 minutes, so that I can 1 second, Eva, thank you so much. So I could have a little bit of break and then we can have our nap time. So I'm going to show you what they look like and what they are looking right now. So it's way past after the nap time. They make it so hard to vlog. We were in the chaos because we have to make iftari, but like no gas pressure. So just hard work, nothing much. I'm just chilling. Hassan is making the tea right now and the kids are playing with their pets and I'll show you guys. Even don't do this. Can I see your pets?
Come on, unicorn.
Barak, doggy.
Look, he's so rainbowy. And look at him.
Okay, Eva. Can I see your pet?
Yes.
Barak, can I? Oh, Barak.
Wait a minute. He's flying. Come on, stop flying.
Eva, do you remember who gifted to you?
Sanya Khala.
And
Shani Khala.
Shani Mami. Barak, where is your doggy?
Look at him. He has a shiny unicorn and look at his shiny eyes and shiny shoes.
And what did you made on his like neck or something? Did you craft something? Shani Mami is watching you. Barak, oh. Barak, इससे क्या नाम है?
His name is Bingo and this is Rainbow.
Okay.
His name is Rainbow because he's
Bingo.
so rainbow.
Bingo and Rainbow.
Yes.
Okay. This is their random toy storage box. We have like all of the okay, the broken, like all of this stuff. There's Barney. Eva, can you show Barney?
Barney.
I don't like when he's like this. This is my only toy. Eva, please. Jaldi se.
Yeah. Sorry.
Barak. Barak, ये क्या है?
क्यों मुझे तुम दोनों को सीखना पड़ रहा है? Mommy, look, they're flying.
बारनी आपको खा रहा है?
A beautiful little koala. This is Jenny, the Burmese python, and my favourite, Andre the alligator. Have a go at this guy. Here in Australia Zoo, everything is hands-on. Woohoo!
Wow, dear.
Excuse me.
Baba की गबे में नहीं.
They're one of my favourite Australians.
मिट्टी गबे में नहीं हो जाएगी.
And you wouldn't think so, with those little stuffy legs.
वीडियो बना दिया.
बना दी.
बना दी.
और क्या है?
This is Bingy's Island.
Dancer. Bingy. Abba, who is Bingy?
Bindi.
Bingy, who is Bingy?
Name of an animal.
Manara.
Yara. Uh-oh.
आजा.
I feel it.
मैं like to move बेटा.
I like to move it more.
मैं आपको नाम बता दे.
Hakuna Matata.
हाँ.
Good job. tortoise.
मैंने tortoise बोल दिया.
Tortoise बोल दिया.
हाँ.
क्या खा रहा है?
ये बाइक चला रहा है ये.
Let's go. Okay guys, so we have finally came to the very last activity before the nap, before the sleeping time, and I'll show you what the sleeping routine is, like before the nighttime routine, what are those. And the final surprise is they're not expecting this, but this is actually our mattress, folding mattress, but what toddler wants is toddler gets. So they are not expecting this, and I'm going to give them a little bit of surprise. Okay guys, so that is it from my first day in the live vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. What I say, and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you. Bye bye.